as we're entering New Mexico. New Mexico. Welcome back to our channel again, guys. Now we're about to enter New Mexico. Yeah, so you could take your views, because if you snooze, you lose. Yes, guys, it's a bit drizzling. Not much rain. It's not raining that much, but it's drizzling. So we're getting a little, yeah. Getting a little. Hope you guys are enjoying the view. I saw the sign a while ago saying welcome to New Mexico. So welcome to New Mexico, guys. We're finally in New Mexico. It's a bit of rain, just a little bit. Yeah. Notice the houses? They have all different colors, right? All different color houses.